I've been using WordPress for a couple years now, and I absolutely love it. I think hands down, it's definitely one of the best website and blogging platforms out there. I mean, I think we'd all agree that search engine optimization is rock solid. It's just easy to use, and it just kind of makes sense. But one of the problems with WordPress is that pretty much every page on your site looks the same. There's really no solution for creating custom page templates that you can assign to your different pages and posts and actually, brand different pages or maybe kind of separate different types of pages and make them look different, maybe have them serve different functions. That's just something I've noticed with WordPress. It's just kind of been lacking. And there are products out there, different WordPress themes and different plugins that do help this and allow you to maybe change some of the internal framework and content and kind of give you a little more variation. But there's really nothing out there that really solves this problem until now. We've created a product called Impact. Impact is a page builder plugin that allows you to create an unlimited number of WordPress page templates to add to any one of your pages or posts. And what's great is you could create one or two or three of these guys and use them for all of your pages, pages and posts, or you could create an unlimited number and have every single page and post be totally different from top to bottom. That is what Impact gives you, and that is how Impact solves this problem with WordPress. Now, just to give you an idea of what Impact is like, if we go into the template builder, I'll give you a brief rundown of some of the options you have with Impact. As you can see in the template builder section, you have a preview window that shows you what your basic stock layout will look like. And then you can click up this little option box, and as you can see, as you make changes, they happen in real time in the preview window. So no longer do you have to guess what your site is going to look like when you're done editing it. So you can go through, there's all kinds of background options, color pickers, image uploader, there's border options, widths, heights, margins, all kinds of stuff. But another thing that makes Impact so powerful is we've added many different custom Impact hooks into the actual framework. And if you don't know what a hook is, basically a WordPress hook is a section all over your different places on your site where you can actually hook content into. So let's say there was a hook before the header. Well, if you created some content or a widget and you hook it into that section, that content will display before the header, or after the header, or before the content, or after the content, in the footer, whatever. So what we've done is we've actually connected these hooks with these widget areas that you can then activate on the fly, and the preview window will actually show you where your widget area will display and where your widget will go when you add a widget to that widget area. So that right there just allows you super powerful control over your different page templates. And then to go a step further, we actually give you custom style sheet right in this admin section where you can actually add add any kind of custom styles to your site, and you'll see that as you make the changes, they show up in real time in the preview window. Okay, so once you're done making the changes, you add your template ID, you click Save, and you're done with the basic creation of your Impact page template. But to even go further, we've created a section called Impact Hooks that once again utilizes the different Impact hook areas, allows you to add any kind of custom content, HTML, JavaScript, text in this box, and then you can actually select your template that you want this content to display, and then you can actually choose what hook area in header, after header, before container, and so on that you want this content to display in that specific page template. And if you have a widget area that's active in that area, you can even choose if you want it to display before or after that widget area. And then you can save the hook, and that content will display in that specific location. And I've actually built websites where I've created completely custom div sections, div IDs and classes and whatnot, and then use the custom styling to style it. And then I've hooked it into different places, and it is amazing the different frames that you can build on these pages. And it's such a powerful tool. And we even utilize the WordPress 3.0 and later custom menu feature where you can actually add a hook or a widget area to any section, and then you can create your custom menu, add that widget to that widget area, and it will actually display a nice styled nav menu that you can then go into the custom style sheet and continue to customize if you want. Okay, so once you've created your impact page template, you just go to a page or a post, it works in either, and you create your WordPress page just like you would any other time. But once you're done with the actual page, you can see if you go down to the impact page options, you can turn impact on, for this particular page. You can select the page template that you want to display for this page. And then we even have full built-in SEO. We've got the page title, meta description and keywords, no index, no follow. Even in-page and post header and footer script options that allows you to even further customize this specific page or post. So once you've added that, you can update or publish your page. And as you can see, this is just a very simple example of an impact page for your WordPress website. Now, just to go a step further, I wanted to kind of show you guys what's possible with Impact. It's not just for creating simple WordPress websites or web pages or whatever. You can actually create the most intricate, attractive pages you would like. So what I actually did is I went ahead and I duplicated the WordPress.org homepage using Impact. As you can see right here, this is actually a page on ImpactPageBuilder.com that's actually an impact page that I totally customized. Took me about an hour, and as you can see, it is almost exactly like WordPress.org. I changed around the links. This is one of our custom nav menus. I did custom buttons and whatnot. But the actual page, as you can see, is pretty much identical to WordPress.org's homepage. So the point is, with Impact, you can use this with any WordPress theme. And any page that you want to be completely unique, to take complete control over, any page or post, you can create a custom template and add it to that section. Or like I said, you can create a single custom template and add it to all of your pages, however you want to do it. So anyway, we're confident this is going to become your favorite WordPress web design tool very quickly, and we're excited to share it with you now. So thank you for watching this video and have a great day.